you created, the success you've had in years past, what's your team doing now? Because if you got a ring and then got off the elevator and you've been on cruise control coasting for months or years, your team's going backwards, not forwards. The speed of the leader determines the speed of the pack. You are causing harm to your team by not leading by example. Intellectually, you know what I'm talking about. You don't want to hear it. You're hoping that you could just drift away and not do the work anymore and that your team will still work. You're hoping for that. Now, one day when you find some self-sufficient superstar leaders that want this really a lot for themselves and they're willing to become the great leaders that they could be, like I've got some great leaders on my team. Like, I could literally drift away or just tell everybody point blank, I'm not going to just try to ghost you. I'm retiring. I'm done. Team Pinnacle will still thrive because there's a bunch of leaders that are here not for me but for themselves, and they don't need me to motivate them. They're going to go out there and build with or without me. One day you can have a team like that, but first you got to be the leader that people want to join, people want to follow, and who develops other leaders. You got to lead by example, and it starts today. If not today, I'll wait January 1, I'm going to do that. Let me just get through the holidays. Stop that stuff, guys. It's not about